In the early morning rain, with the dollar in my hand and an key in my heart and my pocket full of sand. I'm a long way from home and I miss my loved ones so. In the early morning rain, with no place to go, our runway number 9, Big 707 set to go. But I'm out here on the ground, where the pavement never grows. Tasted good, and the women all were fast. There she goes, my friend, she is rolling down at last. Hear a mighty engine roll, see the silver wing on high. She's away and westward bound, far above the clouds she flies, where the morning rain don't fall and the sun always shines. She'll be flying over my home in about 3 hours time. This old airport got me down, is no earthly good to me, 'cause I'm stuck here on the ground, cold and drunk as I might be. You can't jump my jet plane like I can a freight train. So I'd best be on my way in the early morning rain. So I'd best be on my